Hey, excuse me, are you Anna?
Oh, hi, David. Right. Long time no see.
Yes, wow, it's been years. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How about you?
Pretty good, just finished my morning run.
Nice. You look healthy and happy.
Thanks. How was your day so far?
Really good. I had breakfast at the cafe nearby.
Oh, I love that place. What did you have?
Just some toast and coffee.
What about you?
I only had coffee. I woke up late.
Still the same old David.
Yeah, nothing much has changed. How's work these days?
Busy, but I like it. I'm teaching English now.
That's great. You always love the languages.
Yeah, what do you do now?
I'm working as a designer at a small studio.
Wow, that sounds fun.
It is. The team is nice and we make cool projects.
Are you still living in the same area?
Yes, not far from here.
Cool, maybe we can meet again for coffee sometime.
Sure, let's do that next weekend.
Perfect. It was really nice seeing you again.
Me too. Have a great day.
Bye, take care.
This coffee shop is so nice.
Yeah, I come here a lot.
So, how was your trip to Japan?
It was amazing. Japan is such a beautiful country.
Really? Where did you go?
I visited Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.
Wow, that sounds great. What did you do there?
I went sightseeing, took pictures, and tried so much food.
What food did you like most?
Ramen and sushi, they were delicious.
I love sushi too. Was it expensive?
Not really. Street food in Japan is cheap and tasty.
Nice. Did you meet any local people?
Yes, everyone was very polite and helpful.
That's good to hear. Did you buy any souvenirs?
Yeah, I bought green tea and some small gifts for friends.
Oh, that's so thoughtful. Oh, that's so thoughtful.
For 10 days, I didn't want to leave.
I can imagine. Which city was your favorite?
Kyoto for sure. It's peaceful and full of history.
I want to visit Japan someday too.
You should. I can help you plan the trip.
Deal. Let's go together next year.
Sounds perfect.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. I wanted to ask, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. She's 2 years younger than me.
Oh, nice. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone in the city.
Do you visit your parents often?
Yes, almost every weekend. My mom always cooks for me.
That's sweet. Are you married?
No, not yet, but I have a girlfriend.
Really? What's her name?
Her name is Lucy. She's very kind and funny.
How long have you been together?
Almost 3 years now.
Wow, that's a long time. Do you plan to get married?
Maybe next year. We're still thinking about it.
That's nice. I'm happy for you.
Thanks. What about you? Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. I'm not seeing anyone right now.
I see. Do you want to get married someday?
Yes, maybe in the future. Not now.
That's a good plan. Family is important, but work matters too.
I agree. My parents always tell me to find someone who makes me happy.
They're right. Happiness is the most important thing.
Yes, that's true.
Hey, Ben, this restaurant looks nice.
Yes, I like this place. The food is good.
What do you usually eat here?
I always get the pasta. It's delicious.
Oh, I love pasta too. Maybe I'll try it.
Good idea. What do you want to drink?
I'll take orange juice. What about you?
I'll have a cup of coffee.
You always drink coffee.
Yes, it helps me stay awake.
You should change your drink sometimes.
Well, I will try jasmine tea tomorrow then.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm really hungry.
Did you eat breakfast today?
No, I woke up late.
You always wake up late.
I know. I'll try to change.
Oh, our food is here.
Wow, it looks so good.
Yes, let's eat before it gets cold.
Wow, it's such a nice evening.
Yes, the weather is perfect tonight.
I like walking here after work. It helps me relax.
Me too. The air feels so fresh. Do you come here often?
Almost every evening. It's close to my apartment.
That's nice. I wish I lived nearby.
Where do you live now?
About 20 minutes away. I usually come here on weekends.
Oh, that's not too far.
Yeah. How was your day at work?
Pretty busy. I had a meeting all afternoon.
Sounds tiring. What do you do again?
I work at a bank as a clerk.
Oh, right. Do you like it?
Yes, but it's a bit stressful sometimes.
I understand. My job is the same.
You work at a design office, right?
Yes, I design ads and posters.
That sounds fun. You're good with art.
Thanks, but deadlines can be hard.
I guess every job is like that.
Yeah, true. Oh, look, the sky is so clear tonight.
Wow, I can even see the stars.
Let's walk a bit more. It's really peaceful here.
Sure, I love this kind of night. Hey, are you lost?
Yeah, I think so. I'm trying to find the museum.
The museum? It's not far from here.
Oh, really? I've been walking for a while.
I see, you went the wrong way.
Oh no. Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, go straight down this street.
Okay, straight down. Then what?
Then turn right at the gas station.
Turn right at the gas station. Got it.
After that, walk past the bakery and the post office.
Past the bakery and post office. Okay,
You'll see the museum on your left side.
perfect. Is it near the big park?
Yes, right across from the park.
That's great. How long does it take to walk there?
Maybe 10 minutes. It's not too far.
Good. I'll walk then.
Do you want me to show you the way?
Oh, are you going there too?
Yes, I can guide you.
That's so kind. Thank you.
No problem. It's easy for me. I ride here every day.
That's nice. You must know all the streets.
Pretty much. Be careful when crossing.
I will. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Thanks. Have a safe ride.
What time do you wake up?
I get up at 6. How about you?
I usually wake up at 7.
7 is not bad.
Do you eat breakfast after that?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you usually have?
Just toast and milk, sometimes fruit.
That's healthy. I only drink coffee.
You should eat something too.
Maybe, but I'm always in a hurry.
Do you do any exercise in the morning?
Yes, I stretch for 10 minutes, then walk here.
That's a good habit. I want to do that too.
You should. It makes you feel fresh all day.
That's great.
And you, what time do you go to bed?
Around 10 or 10:30.
Wow, you sleep early.
Yeah, I like waking up early. What about you?
I go to bed after midnight. I watch videos before sleeping.
That's why you wake up late.
I know. I'll try to sleep earlier.
That will be good for your health.
So, what do you usually do on weekends?
I like to sleep longer and cook breakfast at home.
That sounds nice.
I sometimes go shopping or meet my friends.
Oh, that's fun. Do you ever travel on weekends?
Yes, sometimes I go to the beach with my family.
Wow, that's great. By the way, what's your hobby?
I love reading books. I also love listening to music. How about you?
I enjoy swimming and playing badminton.
That's cool. We both have healthy hobbies.
By the way, these cookies are so good.
Do you like them? My mom made them this morning.
That's great.
Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure. What's wrong?
I'd like to take a day off tomorrow.
Oh, really? Why do you need a day off?
It's a small family matter. I need to help my parents.
I see. Did you finish your work for today?
Almost. I just need one more hour.
That's fine. Can you send the sales report before you go?
Yes, I'll send it this afternoon.
Good. What about the client emails?
I replied to all of them this morning.
Perfect. When will you come back to work?
The day after tomorrow. I'll be back early in the morning.
All right, you can take the day off.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Family always comes first.
I'll make sure everything is ready before I leave.
That's great. Have a good rest and take care of your family.
I will. Thank you again.
You're welcome. See you soon.
See you. Have a nice day. Hi, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I think I have a cold. My throat hurts and I can't stop sneezing.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
A little, yes. I feel tired too.
All right, you can take this cold medicine. It helps with fever and sore throat.
Should I take it after meals?
Yes, take 1 pill after each meal.
Okay. Can I take it with water or milk?
With water only, please.
Got it. How many days should I take it?
3 days should be fine. If you don't feel better, see a doctor.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Get some rest and drink warm water.
I will. Thanks again. Have a nice day.
You too. Hope you feel better soon.
Hello, are you going to Tokyo?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Yes, me too. It's my first time there.
Oh, really? That's exciting. You're going to love it.
I hope so. I've heard so many good things about Tokyo.
It's a beautiful city, very modern, but also full of culture.
Are you from Japan?
No, but I live in Tokyo now. I work there.
That's nice. What do you do?
I work in a hotel. I'm a receptionist.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yes, I enjoy meeting people from many countries. I'm going for vacation. I'll stay for 1 week.
That's great. What do you plan to see?
I want to visit Tokyo Tower and Shibuya Crossing. Good choice. You should also visit Asakusa and try some sushi. Yes, I saw videos. It looks amazing. You'll love it. Just remember to bring a light jacket. It can get cool in the evening. Thanks. I packed some warm clothes too. Smart. Where will you stay? In a hotel near Shinjuku. That's a great area, lots of restaurants and shops. I'm really excited now. You should be. Tokyo is a wonderful place to explore. Thank you for the tip.
Hi, I have a reservation. The name is Anna Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I found your booking. You've reserved a single room for 3 nights, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Will you be paying by card or cash?
By card, please.
All right, please sign here.
Done.
Your room is 405 on the 4th floor.
Does the room have a nice view?
Yes, it has a city view, and you can see the Tokyo Tower from the window.
Wow, that's great. Are there any temples or shrines nearby?
Yes, there's a small temple just 5 minutes walk from here. You'll see it if you turn left outside the hotel.
Perfect. I'd love to visit it.
Sure, and if you need a map, you can get one at the reception.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. at the restaurant on the 1st floor.
And is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi password is written on the card next to your key.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay, Miss Smith. Hello, welcome to our hotel. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Anna Collins.
Thank you. Let me check. Yes, I found your booking.
That's great.
Would you like to add breakfast to your stay?
Is the breakfast good here?
Many guests say it's very good. We have bread, fruit, eggs, and hot coffee.
That sounds nice. Okay, I'll take breakfast.
Great. Do you need any other services today?
What services do you offer?
We offer laundry service, airport pickup, and room service. We also have a gym on the 2nd floor.
Oh, a gym. What time is it open?
It opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m.
Nice. And can I order food to my room?
Yes, you can order from the menu on the TV.
Good. Can I also get one extra towel?
Of course, I will send it to your room right away.
Thank you. How do I get to my room?
Take the elevator on your right. Your room is on the 5th floor.
Okay, great. And where can I get drinking water?
There is a water station on each floor.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good morning. Is this the breakfast buffet?
Good morning. Yes, you can start from the left side.
It looks nice. What time does breakfast close?
It closes at 10 a.m., so you still have plenty of time.
Do you have hot food today?
Yes, we have eggs, sausages, and steamed rice.
Are the eggs fresh?
Yes, they are cooked every morning.
Where can I get juice?
Right behind you, we have orange and apple juice.
Is the orange juice sweet?
Yes, many guests say it tastes very good.
I also want a cup of coffee.
The coffee machine is next to the juice station.
Can I choose latte?
Yes, you can choose latte, cappuccino, or black coffee.
Do you have vegetarian dishes?
Yes, salad, fruit,